The name Roland Black is a pretty unique and strong name. It's a real gentleman who founded the company by himself, one van, back in 1973. When I got involved with Roland Black, I actually went out to lunch with him, kind of told him my intentions of seeing a great local business here with great bones, great reputation. Mr. Black gave us his blessing and we were off to the races.
A lot of things have allowed this company to stay successful over the past 50 years. We have a pretty strong footprint in this market. Community involvement has played a key role, and we look to provide our customers with top-notch solutions for all of their plumbing and HVAC and generator needs.
Roland Black's different because the people that are running it actually care. We care about the connection to the customer more than the sale. We're going to tell you what's wrong. We're going to give you a few options. We're going to let you decide because it's your house. You say yes, we get to work.
Through Roland Black, customers should expect a full evaluation of their system. Every issue has a root cause. We don't want to just fix the issue. We want to find that root cause to prevent that major failure.
I think the number one thing that makes any company have this kind of longevity is doing what you say you're going to do. Getting that phone call, knowing you have this short window to be the hero when somebody's having an issue with their comfort, be it their air, be it their water, and showing up. And then when you do show up, it's white glove service. Respect the home, even let the customer see and feel the kind of care you're gonna take. The most important thing I want them to know from the minute they call us is that we care and that they called the right place.